Yeah.
And doodles and pencils and pencil paper.
Yeah, brown construction paper and white construction paper.
Let's get 1 second. You need only 2 brown paper and 2 white papers.
Well, I don't know.
You need 2. And Uncle Susie's there.
Let's get started!
Step 1. We will make lines 1 inch apart.
Make the lines so they don't touch the top or the bottom. So now, cut the lines, but don't cut out this part where there's no line. Remember, we're only cutting the line. Remember, not fully, just like this. When you're done making the basket, then don't throw it away because we're going to show you what to do with it next week. I have a joke!
Oh.
What is a snake's favorite subject in class?
I don't know.
Everybody wait. I'll answer in a few minutes. Just so you think on what could be the answer. Ready? 3, 2, 1. History.
History?
Yeah.
And we're done. Ooh.
So now cut out some strips of white paper like we've already done. And now we will magically turn our shield into a basket. Okay. And to do that, we're gonna have to weave. And I'll show you how to do that. So look, you gotta go under, and then you gotta go over. Then you gotta go under again. Then you gotta go over. Then you gotta go under.
Just show you.
Then over again.
Look, I'm doing it.
Nice.
Yay. My school bus song.
Wheels on the bus?
Yeah.
Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. We've completed weaving. Cut like this and at the top so it looks like a basket. And we're done!
And we're done.
But we will add more awesomeness and magic to this basket next week.
I think you forgot something.
What?
And bye.
Oh, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye. Stay tuned for part 2. See you next week, everybody. Bye.
Bye.